Good morning, guys. I hope you're all well. It's a nice day today, nice morning to wake up to with a crispy sun. So today's video is all about food. So if you love food videos, you're gonna love this one. I'm gonna take you through the day and show you what I eat. Hope you enjoy. So for breakfast, this is what I'm gonna be having. So that's hash brown, that's a sausage, and this is beans on toast. So I've put some oregano and chili flakes and then just garnished it with cheese. So it's going to be an air fried breakfast today. So it's literally going to go in the air fryer like that. And then we set it here. So if you press that, and then I'll put it on 180 and just press start. So whilst that's cooking in the air fryer, I'm going to make my eggs. So first I'm going to grease the pan with some olive oil. That's enough. Turn the gas on. And I'm going to let that heat for about a couple of minutes. That means the food is ready. Ooh, focus. Look at that. So that's all ready. Hash browns, the sausage and the beans on toast. And I'm just going to plate it out now. Look at the amount of oil it's left me with and drained underneath. That just shows how much oil actually goes in our body. It's ridiculous. This air fryer has literally saved my life. The amount of meals we make in here is crazy. And I definitely recommend you get one if you're looking for like a healthier lifestyle or just oil-free meals. And there we have it. That's breakfast. So for lunch today we have some vegetable hakka noodles which my mum made. So if you want the recipe for that, just leave me a comment in the comment section below stating that you want the recipe and I'll ask her to do it. Here I've got this liquid seasoning which I'm gonna put over my noodles. It tastes really nice, guys. If you guys haven't tried this Maggi liquid seasoning, you definitely should. It's really nice. So for dinner, we've come to eat at Jatwala. Me and my sister wanted to eat out, so then we came to eat out. It's a pure vegetarian restaurant. It's just off Catherine Street. It's on Gypsy Lane. So if you're in Leicester, or if you ever come to Leicester, check it out. Now we're going to Chocoberry for dessert. Oreo Kanafe.
It was just in the main bit.
Deewana kehte hain. I wonder how I sound, on microphone.
Oh, I sound like a weirdo.
I'm recording it. Does
You're gonna make me cringe, man.
And then listen to it after. YouTube video. So guys, I've just got the radio on while we're waiting we're basically come to collect my brother and sister from mosque. So we're just waiting in the car. Yeah, I am.
No, you're not.
Wallahi, I am. So, just listening to some songs on Cyprus radio.
My voice is gonna come out so
And
weirdly, man.
we're trying to sing with it.
No,
So,
you are not me. I don't care.
yes, I'm trying to sing with the lyrics to see how I sound. And then I'm gonna listen to it back, and if it's good enough, then I'll post it along with the rest of my video. So let the chorus come, then I'll sing. हम तेरी मोहब्बत में यूं पागल रहते हैं, दीवाने भी अब हमको दीवाना कहते हैं. So guys, how did that sound? Please tell me in the comment section. Shop. My sister said I sounded disgusting. Well, you guys tell me how I sounded. And if I did sound disgusting, tell me that as well, innit?
Yeah.
Be honest.
Say she's disgusting.
Don't bottom me up. So guys, that's a wrap up on today's video. It's the end of the day. I've just come to do some errands. And I shall see you guys very soon in my next video. Take care. Good night.